Meet the HOLO-WHAS Multi-Room Streaming Amplifier, a powerful and intuitive solution for high-quality, customizable audio across multiple spaces. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Whether you're upgrading your home, office, or commercial audio setup, this amplifier gives you full wireless streaming control with ease and flexibility. This system supports up to 8 independent zones, so you can stream different audio in different rooms at the same time. From family members listening to music in the living room to background audio playing in the kitchen or office, each space can enjoy its own sound without overlap. The HOLO-WHAS amplifier supports multiple streaming platforms including AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, DLNA, and USB input, allowing you to enjoy music from virtually any source. Easily switch between sources and adjust volume per zone through the dedicated mobile app or web interface. No need for complex setups or extra hardware. Setup is fast and user-friendly. With easy guided network setup via the app, you'll be ready to stream in minutes. The intuitive interface makes switching between rooms and audio sources simple, with smooth operation across Android and iOS platforms. Beyond wireless streaming, this system includes local input support, so you can connect CD, DVD players and other analog devices. And if you're looking for even more advanced interfaces or power output, HOLO-WHAS offers expanded models like the Ultra, Plus, and Max to meet your specific needs. Built for high audio performance, this amplifier ensures clear, consistent sound in every zone. Whether rack-mounted or wall-installed, it fits perfectly into your setup. You'll also get access to function updates and direct support from the HOLO-WHAS team if needed. If you're looking to modernize your audio experience with powerful multi-zone streaming, the HOLO-WHAS amplifier is a smart, scalable solution. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Thanks for listening.